What the f?
Good morning everyone. I'm back at the airport right now. Today the trip goes to Ivalo. You know, it's the winter vacation or winter break, whatever it's called. And yeah, for 6 days I'm going to be in Lapland in the middle of nowhere, sitting in my hotel room, a bit of doing some skiing and stuff. What I'm trying to do right now is to find Coca-Cola, but they only have Pepsi, so I have to walk around the airport. Well, I've seen before some Pepsi, I mean Coca-Cola. They had like only Pepsi, and wherever you go. So I had to search for it. It's not that flight, it's this flight. 27. Boarding the plane.
Ryan Little.
Japan!
Hyvät matkustajat, tervetuloa Kittilään sekä Levin ja Ylläksen lomakeskuksiin. Welcome to Ivalo and Inari Saariselkä region. Please remain seated and keep your safety belt fastened until the safety belt sign has been installed. Please be careful when opening the overhead lockers. On behalf of Finnair and the entire crew, I'd like to thank those of you leaving us here. We hope you have enjoyed this Finnair flight and have a nice day.
Just arrived in Ivalo. It's a beautiful flight. We stop over in Kittilä. And there's one thing I love flying here. You can take these beautiful selfies in front of the aircraft. Especially when there's like low visibility, like the place is like white. It just looks amazing. I think I have some archival picture of that. Look at this.
Sulla lippuja tai tulee.
Some weird thing has happened over there. The back windows and the kind of broken the bus. lunch. I had a pretty good burger, and now I'm heading to the local supermarket, whatever, grocery store. I'm actually thinking, where is it? I have been here last time 2 years ago, and I know the places where are the places and stuff, but yeah, we're actually staying in a different hotel. We're staying here in the Santa Hotel, I think, yeah. Before that we were staying somewhere over here in Riekonlinna, let's say different hotel. And yeah, it's just longer walk to the grocery store, but yeah, I have to get some stuff from there, some juice for my sister. It's so beautiful out here. It's like winter wonderland, you know. I like when the trees are like filled with snow. That's like the beautiful thing about winter. Well, it looks just beautiful, and it's actually pretty cold. I can't really vlog without my mittens, whatever they are called, hand shoes on. Good morning, it's the second day here in Saariselkä, and right now I just have been chilling in my room, doing some schoolwork, reading a book that I need to do for school due to Monday, and while I'm flying back on Sunday evening I have to get it done this week. Time is around 10 to 2, so I'm thinking that I'm going to get my skis and do some cross-country skiing. I think that's a right verb, whatever word for that. And I'm going to go on Kaunispää, and there's like a cafe, whatever, cafe, where I'm going to go and drink some or get some stuff to eat, some snack. Yeah, but I don't want to be in the hotel room for the entire day, so it's good to do some exercising. So yeah, I'm taking this camera with me, and there's this small thing. It's kind of broken, the case. There's like this small thing. I'm thinking that should I get some duct tape, but no, I think it will hold. I hope so. I think it will hold. And then I have this head strap, which was basically I used here as a old headlight lamp, whatever you put on your head, and I used the strap from that and attached it to this plate. I don't have a GoPro, I have this random knockoff that I got once for Christmas, but it works pretty well. It does its job. It's great for that. You don't really need any good camera. If it does its job, it's okay. That's here. Yeah. This is the ski storage area. Where's my key? Keys over here in my pocket, deeply inside. Here we have the skis, and here we have the sticks. Let's go. From oh shit. Right now I'm here, and I'm going to ski way up here. That's like that mountain over there. That was a long ski ride. Pretty exhausted. And there were two strangers who gave me this cookie. Beautiful. Let's go into the cafe and get something to eat. Relax for a bit until I start heading back down. The views are just beautiful over here. It's time to get back down again. Gotta get my skis and let's go down. Hi, you little. What you doing here? Chilling?
So I was just up in my room watching some YouTube and looks like the fire alarm went off. It's like literally, they have like this beeping sound in every possible room to wake up everyone. It's like, I'm just walking here in the hallway. I can smell some burning smell actually. But like it's beeping in every possible room. Taissa. On semmonen vähän tällainen. Vähän ylöspäin. Ois semmonen.
Joo, tää oli hyvä. Viitsikö jompikumpi mennä tuohon kamerasta tuolla? Niin. Viitsikö siihen mennä tuohon pihalle pitämään ovea auki, kun palokunta tulee? Joo, no siis.
Ei se piippaa.
Tää on. En tiedä, minäkin tulin tähän ajasta, mä soitin hätäkeskuksen vielä, kun mä tulin tähän, että tuliko se tästä se hälytys? Kun tuo taulu oli vihreä. Joo. Mistä tuommoinen piipus? Se tulee telekkarista. Harri lähti nollaamaan ja... Tai telekkarit lähti.
Looks like it was a false alarm. Yeah, the fire department is over here. There's like something that the panel that is like in every building you see from where the fire comes. For some reason it didn't show from which room it came, so they had to check it out. There's like some weird smell. But then they found out that in some room, I think they were like having some chicken and burnt. But yeah, it's safe. Day 3, downhill skiing. This is the last ride on this lift, because they're closing it in like a few minutes, so I can't get up on this lift again. And I have been using this lift now for the last 5 times I've been going down. I've gone down like total 11, 12 times maybe. But yeah, it's beautiful out here.
What the f- You can't be serious. It's the second time I have a fire alarm in here. The TV doesn't turn on. I have to leave. Key card. There's my key card with me. Second fire alarm. The thing is, what I just wanted to do was to work on some school stuff. Then the fire alarm went off. I was like confused. Well, the TV showed us the last time, or showed me the last time, an information that you have to stay in your room. At this time the TV didn't went on, so I just now went outside. I hate this. It's the second time. Everything's okay. False alarm again. Let's go back to work. Let's go skiing again. arrived in Helsinki with a late delay of around 40 minutes. They don't have any meetings, but I still hate it.